you judge someone? Walk a mile in their shoes. A fantastic evening to one and all present here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Which day do you all love the most? Sunday, right? Well, I am no different. I love my Sunday. A nice winter morning, a warm glass of Complan, and with hopes of growing taller, I decided to watch Shin-chan. For all those who don't know who Shin-chan is, he's the guy we kids want to be, but you parents don't want us to be. While I was clearly enjoying my Sunday snooze of doing just nothing but Shin-chan and chill, my friend calls out for me, "Dhaksh, acha baro, jaldi baro Dhaksh." Looking at my friend shouting like this, I thought he was stuck below a car's tire and was waiting for me to rescue him. I immediately rushed outside and asked him, "Hey, is everything okay?" A big relief for me as he replies that the neighboring road boys had planned for a football match and challenged us to beat them. I went like, "What? A football match? That was a challenge game?" I quickly took my Ronaldo jersey, pulled up my socks, put on my shoes and ran as fast as I could. Then there comes the situation when my other friends say that I need to enter with a bet. I was completely confident that my team would win, so I gave my 10 rupees. Then my friend says, "Bro, you think they are so strong? We can easily win. Just give your football." At this point, I completely believed him, then thought and placed that also as a bet. Silly of me, I never knew my team was so weak. The match started, everyone took their positions. My friend passed me the ball. I took it forward, then passed him back. He passes it to me back. And I missed the pass. I missed just one pass and everyone in the team went ahead and shouted at me, "What is this, Dhaksh? Do you even know football?" I got very upset at this statement and asked them if they didn't know about this before taking my ball as a bet. Now they all got angry because I was speaking some harsh truth. The game continued and suddenly the other team made a foul. My team's captain was looking around for someone to take the penalty kick. I got upset again that thinking that my ball is at stake and my captain isn't even thinking about me for the kick. I went up to him and told, "Buddy, look, if we lose this match, I'm the one who loses the ball. So please let me take the shot." I went ahead with the kick even without letting my captain think it through. Result, I lost a golden opportunity for my team. While we were at the end of the match, both the teams were still on 0. This situation caused me severe anxiety and stress as it was my ball at stake. I started yelling at everybody. "Yenra nivella? Yeno dod players ankondo nan ballna betke kotre, you're all playing like losers. I am ashamed to be playing in a team like this. You guys better win this match for me or you will see the other side of me." After all this anger spewed by me, guess what my team did? They threw me out of the team. How dare they even throw me out, right? Who won't consider 8 of them? I decided I was never going to talk to them and was prepared to give them my intervention. Just when I thought it was the end of everything, there went a lead attacker with the goal for our team. And the winners of the match were our team. I got back my ball and my 10 rupees, which had now become 20 rupees. What a fantastic win, right? All my anger went away as soon as I saw the 20 rupees in my hand. But sadly, tables had turned. My team was not at all happy even after winning. I had clearly spoiled their mood with my selfish behavior. I was so absorbed with the fact that I bet my football, I forgot that all my friends was just a good fun game to brighten my Sunday. Ladies and gentlemen, this incident taught me a very important lesson. I understand that sometimes we become so absorbed with our perspective of life, stop putting ourselves in others' shoes. We jump to conclusions and start fighting even without knowing their version of the story. Empathy, which is a basic trait of humans, has now become a rare commodity. I am sharing this personal story of mine to let you all know that wearing your shoe is important, but standing in others is equally important. And if you are wondering if me and my friends are back together, oh yes, we are all friends. We forgive and move on. Thank you.